all crypto members, guys, welcome back to another price prediction video about Hook protocol coin, guys. Before starting this video, guys, make sure to join my Telegram group, guys, and also subscribe channel, guys, especially if you want to make money from crypto. So join my Telegram group, guys. The link is available in video description. 1.94 US dollar is the current price of Hook protocol coin. 6.58% gains in last 24 hours, guys. A lot of people asking question about Hook protocol coin, that when there is possibilities for Hook protocol coin that it will pump, guys. So here, guys, the gains is not paid 6.54%, but here if we see the 24-hour trading volume, so the volume is looking negative 50.15%. That's mean that now there is so more sellers in the market, guys. The selling pressure is very high in the market, so maybe as a result the price will dump, guys. But according to my prediction, according to my expectation from Hook protocol coin, guys, you can see here now it will fall for a little bit, and from this support level again possibilities for Hook protocol coin that it will pump, guys, from 1.90 cent. I think if you found a Hook protocol coin in 1.90, so I think it's the best entry zone for Hook protocol, guys. 1.90 cent, guys, buy at 1.90 cent, guys, and from this price possibilities that the price will pump to $2 US, guys. By the way, for more update about Hook protocol coin, join my Telegram group, guys.